And this is what it's like when the dogs are incarcerated. When playtime is over, but somebody still wants to play more. That dog wants to play more. Goodness gracious. Look at her. Xena, is that you? That can't be. Oh no, of course it's how silly of me, it's Captain. Captain, you are a loudmouth. It used to be that Shira was a loudmouth, but now you are the loudmouth. And no, you're not coming out. Now it's rest time. See, look, everybody else is taking a rest. For anybody who wonders, those brown spots are not poop. They're just some kind of stain on the blanket. And, not that they couldn't be poop, but in this particular instance, they are not poop. They're just a stain. No big deal. There's Superman all chilled out. Iron Man all chilled out. Who's that? That's... Who that? Well, look at you. Look at you looking at me barking. Well, what do you think? This is Captain America. He has turned into the biggest loudmouth. And that's a loud and piercing bark. See how loud that is? He's even keeping other people up. Everybody wants to sleep, but no. Because you see, the wellbeing box has a door that you can... Hello, Buster. Buster doesn't care. Look at how nice. All the puppies have flowers to look at. Isn't that so nice? So, this is what we get to listen to. Right there. That guy.